Well, guys, I might cry. It's my last night on the campus of UVM. Here's my building, Christie. Moving out tomorrow. Classes are done. The year's over. I'm not halfway done college, which is kind of crazy. It's exciting that I'm done with the year, but it's moderately displeasing that I won't be living here anymore. Not too long ago, I managed to catch a total of 727 Pokemon in Pokemon Go. So that's now off the list. Well, we're moving out. It's crazy we've been here for so long.
Yeah, well, this building for 1 year, college for 2.
Yep. Very true.
See ya.
Bye, Ethan.
I'm gonna die.
So handsome. I'm sure we'll be seeing each other soon. It's kind of devastating. I don't know if I already mentioned that, but yeah. It's all empty now. I wanted to do one last thing while I was still here. So we were in Florida. We saw a bunch of alligators. Coincidentally, my mother went to New Orleans and got me these alligator sticks. So I'm actually going to try an alligator. It's all right. All right, everything they asked me to do, I've now done. Resident signature. Selby Jacobs. And just like that. I'm out. Goodbye, Christy. Goodbye, school. And hello, summer. So we're about, no. Oh. This right here. Just leave it there. This right here is all of my high school work. We're going to burn it. What the hell? Who's that? What?
I don't think that this is a good way to have it set up. I think they're gonna fly away like this. Here goes all of my high school work. Up in flames. If I can get this to work, bro, it's windy. This is embarrassing. Dude, how are you an Eagle Scout that can't light a fire?
Shut up.
Desperate times.
Oh. God, this is such a bad idea.
I think that's good.
Might be too windy. Maybe we should have started a fire and then put it on little by little.
It's not too late. It's only the gasoline's burning right now. I think this school just has fireproof paper.
We're having much more success now. Bingus. We're having a little bit more luck. It is pretty windy.
Okay.
Recording.
Probably.
So we left. We tried to put the fire out when we left. Like, we were genuinely convinced it was out. We doused it so much. And it's now still on fire a day later. So we're trying to get the rest of the paper to burn. We are taking a walk on the Southern Connector, aka the Champlain Parkway.
Speedball.
All right, go, 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 go.
Ooh, that was so good. Let me see that. Let me see this. You going that way?
Yeah. What the heck? There's a biker. We're heading, I think we're heading east. And
Wait. Where does the sun set again?
I don't know.
You're a scout.
I'm not. Stop saying that, bro.
You're literally an Eagle Scout.
Stop. It's the second time we've like 2 times in a row now that we've hung out, bro.
Oh, this one must be north because it's forward. Yeah, so sick. My turn.
I think it's very interesting that that we can see the lines on the road, even though this isn't a road. If it was supposed to be. I don't know. Let's go check it out. This goes up to the. There's Chipotle right there. All right, whatever. I'm getting in. We found a new cart.
Yeah, we found a bigger one.
So
You know, bigger's always better. Size matters.
shut up.
He's gonna tip over.
Yeah, probably.
I'm gonna go to where it's slightly downhill already.
Okay. This is gonna be wild.
Yeah, when it's not turning, I'm gonna go.
All right. Here we go. Oh my God. We just finished walking that way on the Southern Connector. So now we're gonna go this way. There's a skate park down this.
Let's get a shopping cart.
No. So this is the end of the Southern Connector / Champlain Parkway. What?
Let's build the rest ourselves.
Yeah, you're right, you're right. So yeah, now we're gonna walk back. Well, we're back at the car. Come here, Elliot. Elliot! He's leaving me. Elliot! We walked the whole Southern Connector Champlain Parkway. It's pretty cool. You should be here soon. Business to attend to.
When?
June.
So it's settled then.
Yeah. In just a few short weeks.
We fight!